What is going on, everybody? Logan here for a new video, and I'm just making this quick little video just because I've gotten about 10 people sent me this picture, and it looks like a very official picture of the Shelby GT500 specs. As far as the numbers, it says it's going to have 802 horsepower, which would be amazing. I would love 802 horsepower. Torque at 662 foot-pounds, curb weight 3,900, which is a little less than I thought it would be. The MSRP starts out, $77,000, just the standard pack, with the track pack 91,000. I doubt we're going to see a GT500 less than 100,000. For the first 6 months after it comes out, just because there are going to be people who are going to buy these cars and want to flip them and make, $20,000, $30,000, which they will be able to because the GT500, when it first comes out, it's going to be a rare car. But on top of that, the picture says it's going to go 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds, quarter mile time of 10.5 at 138 miles an hour, and top speed of 212. Now, when I first saw this, I was ecstatic because I was, 2 or 3 people sent it to me at the same exact time, and I really thought it was official. I went to Ford Racing, their website. I went to Ford website, went to Shelby's website. They aren't sharing anything. I actually messaged Ford Performance just to see if it was real or not, because I went straight to their Facebook page. They haven't shared anything. No response back yet, but yeah, this thing's fake. It sucks that it's fake because it seems real, like it has that Ford Racing and Ford Performance logo right there in the corner. And if the numbers were real, that would be awesome. I mean, it would be cool to have it, 800 horsepower Mustang, have Mustang go that low in the quarter mile. But sadly, I really doubt that this is real. I mean, maybe these are leaked, and who knows, maybe this is real information, but that flyer, that picture that's circulating everywhere is fake. Now, as far as what I think it's going to have, I think it's going to have about 720, 730 horsepower. I mean, I'm sure it'll be able to run, high 10s and quarter. It's going to be a quick car. It's just, I don't think it's going to be that quick that the flyer said. But what I want y'all to do is comment down below everything as far as the top speed, horsepower, torque, and everything. Let me know what y'all think, and when the numbers officially come out, I'm going to revisit this video and see who's the closest. No edits though. But one more thing before this video is done: if anybody's selling a Ford Bronco in the Houston area, Dallas, just the general Texas area, send me a message on Instagram. Instagram is BubbaBlue843. I am kind of thinking about getting that or a 2-valve Mustang GT, 1999, 2004. I'm just kind of in the mood for a project car. I'm sticking with Bubba, my 2012 Mustang GT, just because, recently, I put a lot of money into it, and I don't know, it's growing on me again. It's almost like I'm getting that feeling of when I first got my car. I'm excited to drive it. It's a good drive. I like my car. Well, guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.